Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light.
Get ready to elevate your off-road adventures to new heights with the unveiling of the 2024 Lexus GX 550. The premium off-road drive flagship SUV that redefines luxury and capability. With its powerful performance, advanced technology, and unparalleled comfort, this vehicle is designed to conquer the toughest terrain with ease while providing a first-class driving experience.
Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night.
From the moment you lay eyes on the 2024 Lexus GX 550, its bold and commanding presence commands attention. With its muscular stance, rugged exterior design, and signature Lexus spindle grille, this SUV exudes confidence and capability, signaling its readiness to tackle any challenge that comes its way.
It's running wild.
Step inside the cabin, and you'll be enveloped in luxury and refinement. Premium materials, exquisite craftsmanship, and thoughtful design elements create a serene and inviting atmosphere that caters to your every comfort need. From plush leather seating to advanced climate control systems, every detail is meticulously crafted to enhance your driving experience.
Every grace. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light.
But it's under the hood where the true power of the 2024 Lexus GX 550 shines. Equipped with a potent V8 engine and advanced four-wheel drive system, this SUV delivers impressive performance both on and off the road. Whether you're navigating rocky trails or cruising down the highway, the GX 550 offers smooth and responsive power that instills confidence in every driver. Moreover, the GX 550 is packed with advanced off-road technologies to help you tackle even the most challenging terrain with ease. From crawl control and multi-terrain select systems to hill descent control and electronic locking differentials, this SUV provides the tools you need to conquer any obstacle with confidence.
The night's young, and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light. Pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna be two hearts running wild.
But the 2024 Lexus GX 550 isn't just about performance, it's also about safety and connectivity. With a suite of advanced driver assistance features and intuitive infotainment systems, this SUV ensures that you stay protected and connected on every journey, no matter where the road takes you. In conclusion, the 2024 Lexus GX 550 represents the perfect blend of luxury, capability, and innovation. With its powerful performance, advanced technology, and uncompromising comfort, this SUV is ready to take you on the off-road adventure of a lifetime. So, Join us in celebrating the reveal of the GX 550 and share your excitement for this premium flagship SUV in the comments below.